Hello, good morning, children. Homophones. What are homophones? Homo means same, phone means sound. Sound is same. Spelling different, meaning different. See. Right. Sun. Like that. You have different meanings. So, correct spelling you have to choose and write. There are many words, examples given in your book, page number 35. You can go through the concept type. Made, okay, by, all these are having a different meaning. Some common homophones are these also. To means these also. To is a preposition and two is for number 2. Like that you have you are, your, they are. Those words are there. Okay. So in your workbook they have given some exercises regarding that also you can go through. Okay. Next we will go through this grammar part. What is the grammar part we have to see? Yes, past tense, main 3 tenses, basic tenses: past, present, future. Past is something that has happened already. Present and future. So when you say future, you use will write, will read, will become, like that. Past tense is wrote, ate, became, began, bid, built, drew, like that. These are all past tense. Now in this you have simple past, simple present, simple future. This is what we read now. Next one is past perfect, present perfect, future perfect. When we say past perfect, present perfect, future perfect, you have to use have, had, have walked, had walked, have, will have walked. These are used for perfect tense. Present perfect, future perfect, past perfect. Continuous means ing form. I am, when you write ing, you should use am or is. He is walking. I am walking. He was walking. He will be walking. Okay. Based on this, you have some exercises here. Rahul plays cricket. This is present. You should underline the verb. Verb is the action word. Ram completed his homework. That is present tense. Completed is past tense. Over. Aman will walk is future tense. So this is very easy. Go through this exercise. Next you have this synonyms. That is a respectful boy. His underlined word is respectful. So for that, which one is the correct synonym? Here it is humble. From the box you have to choose and write. So like that you can correct synonyms, you can choose and write. You should rewrite the sentence. Don't write like this words. You should rewrite the sentence. See here, now walks. He walks in the past. What is the past tense? He walked in the past. Future, he will walk in the park. So like that you have to change it. Past, present and future. Page number 15 in workbook you have. Go through this. Yes. Next is will sleep. What is will sleep? Future. Simple, future. Drew, past tense. Write, drop, drew. Write, present. Will see, future. Walk, present. Now how will you change it to continuous form, ing form? Eat, is eating. Will sleep, will be sleeping. Tense maatha kodadu, only ing form. Drew, past tense la drew. Was drawing, was podno, was drawing. Write, is writing, present tense la is writing, ing form. Will see, will be seeing. Walk, is walking. Sheetal was playing with her dog. Was is past tense, playing is continuous, so past continuous. Deepa will be eating, future. So Deepa will be eating. What is the meaning? Will be eating. Future continuous. Yes. Nirmal walks in the park. So Nirmal walks is simple present. Rohit was losing. Was is past. Losing ing. Past continuous. Kiran is studying hard. Is studying. Is present. Present continuous. Tapas will be finishing. Future continuous. Deepak wrote a beautiful story. Past. Sonia will be going. Future continuous. So same way you have some more exercises in this opposite words. For you have to underline the opposite meaning. I had a dry towel. So dry and wet both are opposites like that. Loud, soft, bitter, sweet, long, short, sharp, blunt. You should read this heading first. A difficult, easy, clean, dirty. Synonyms, antonyms. See here, he was a huge man. Opposite. You have to rewrite. He was a tiny man. Like that you have to rewrite it. Noisy, loud, synonym. What is the next exercise we have to go through? Adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words which describe the noun, pronoun, any subject. That is any person, place, thing, animal, all these are nouns. Noun describe பண்றது adjectives. Adjectives can be used in 3 degrees. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. These are all adjectives describing the nouns. Grand birthday party, like that you have. Already I discussed this. So this is comparative and superlative degree. You have to change it. When it is given in the comparative and superlative degree, we have to change the tense. So see here, I live in an old village. This is older. Older village. Underline the adjective. Old is positive. Older is comparative. Oldest is superlative. Okay, these are all adjectives. I made a drawing in a thin paper. Positive, comparative, superlative. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Cold, colder, sweeter. This is also comparative. Here no superlative. Sweeter dish. Colder, comparative. Cold, positive. I made a warm milk. I like having warm milk. Positive, warmer, comparative, warmest, superlative. Here it is given. High, higher, highest. Soft, softer, softest. Low, lower, lowest. Sick, sicker, sickest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Fast, faster, fastest. Tall, taller, tallest. Like that you have to match the meaning. Match the meaning is also easy. If you go through that and see the meaning, you can easily match it. I drank dash soup yesterday. Hot soup. You should not say hotter soup. When you compare, you use hotter. My brother is taller than me. Brother and me is compared. So, taller. Than is also there. Than is used only in comparative degree. Her mother was angrier this time than last time. This time, last time they are comparing. Angrier. Alok is fastest boy in our class. Is the fastest. The kudutittu it is telling comparing with the whole class. So it is fastest. Superlative degree will come. She is sensitive, that is why she cries even at the smallest issue. At the smallest issue. The is used along with the superlative degree. I read a story about a thirsty crow. Here is given. Not thirstier crow or thirstiest crow. Today is happier day than yesterday. Comparing than is used yesterday and today. Compared. That car is safer than this one. Safer than this one. I made the angriest face when I saw my friend being the angriest face. Most angry situation. So they used angriest face. Like this you have. I will take a long walk in the garden. Longest walk illa. There are many tall plants in it. The bushes are shorter than the plants. Yesterday was the cloudiest day in the last 1 month. The cloudiest. I noticed small drops of rain on the ground. I quickly opened my umbrella. The strong wind, stronger wind illa, comparing illa. Strong wind. My umbrella was stronger than I thought. Soon I noticed the biggest ever drops of rain. I felt like a happy child that day. To improve your English, you must try to read longer sentences than what you are currently reading. Like this you have to compare. Okay, bad ku badder kadiyadu. Bad ku worse. Worst. Many, more, most. Little, less, least. Far, farther, farthest. Good, better, best. Less, lesser, least. Thank you, children.